Welcome back. In this video I'm doing daily Leetcode problem, and for today that's 860 lemonade change. So we are at the lemonade stand and each lemonade costs $5. Customers are standing in a queue to buy from you and order one at a time in the order specified by the bills. Okay, each customer will only buy one lemonade and pay with either a 5, 10 or 20 bill. You must provide the correct change to each customer so that the net transaction is that the customer pays $5. Know that you do not have any change in hand. Given an integer array bills, where bills of I is the bill the ith customer pays, return true if you can provide every customer the correct change, or false otherwise. Okay, so we can get 5, 10, and $20. If we get $5, then we don't need to return anything. If we get $10, we need to return 5, and if we get $20, we need to return either 3 5s or, in better case, 10 and a 5, because 10 can only use with 10. We can return $10 only if we get $20, only in that case. So that's kind of the logic, pretty simple. So I have 5 is equal to 10 is equal to 0, and for bill in bills. So what do? First, I need to check if it's 5 to increase, or I don't need to check it, I can do it like this. 5 is plus equal, b is equal to 5. That's first part. Next thing is to check if we need to return, and that happens if we get $10 or $20. So if b is equal to 10, then we only need to return, we only can return $5 in this case. So we increase first tens by 1 and we decrease fives by 1, and we check here if fives is less than 0. It means we ran out of money, so we need to return false. Other cases, if bill is equal to 15, 20, in that case we need to we're not interested in in number of 20s we have, because we can't return them, so we won't increase anything. We only need to check if we have 10s, because if we have 10, then we need to return 10 and a 5, and if we don't have 10, then we need to return all the 5s. So if tens is greater than 0, we decrease tens by 1 is equal 1, and 5s minus equal 1. If it's not, then we need to return 3 5, so 5 is minus equal 3, and at the end we check if 5 is less than 0, so we return true if it's so. Return false, and in the end, so we just return here, return true if we manage to give everyone what they required. So pretty straightforward. Just remove those spaces. Okay, let's try to run it. I missed this one. Okay, submit. And yeah, it works. Okay, for the time and space complexity. So we have just 5s and 10s, that's all. 1 for the space complexity. We don't have any other additional memory used. And for time complexity, we just loop one time for the bills, and that's it. So it's often oh, pretty bad writing today for some reason. Often time complexity and of one space complexity. Okay, thank you for following through in this one, and see you in the next one.